Meet Mr. Albert, a businessman in Mansfield. Last month, he was planning a business trip. But he didn't have enough vehicles to cover all his employees. He shared his planning with one of his friends and heard about the role of taxi service companies. But he didn't know any reliable taxi service provider in Mansfield and this locality. Therefore, he browsed the internet and found the name Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service, the top taxi service provider in Texas. For being sure about their services, he checked their website bigtexascabs.com and discovered their service quality, reliability, professionalism, and promptness. He also found that he can reach them at any time by sending an email to contact@bigtexascabs.com. Therefore, he called 817-676-3702 and booked a ride with them. And finally, he completed the business trip with satisfaction. Do you also want to book their taxi service? Ask them now.